All right, Chef Trinity, what are we going to make today?
Popsicles. Hi guys. Today we're going to make popsicles.
Okay.
Learn about how to make popsicles yummy.
That's right. Yummy, yummy popsicles. Trinity wanted to do tropical popsicles.
We're going to need orange, mango, and pineapple, and water. And these are for the popsicles, and this is
The apple cider vinegar with the mother to kind of pop the flavor.
Popsicles.
A cup of mango. That's okay. Then we're going to do a cup of pineapple. Good job, Trinity. Smash them down in there really good. And then we're just going to cut up and squeeze some oranges.
Yep.
So far we got 2 cups of fruit in our blender. And then we're going to go ahead and cut these up and put the juice in with the mango and pineapple. Trinity got the oranges squeezed into the mango and into the pineapple in our blender cup.
And look, it's on the bottom.
And now I want Trinity go ahead and pour in about a teaspoon of apple cider vinegar. Just pop the flavor. Good job. And then we're going to pop it in the blender and blend it all up. All right, so we've got the mango, oranges, pineapple, a little bit of apple cider vinegar all blended in our cup. We're going to have to go ahead and transfer the smoothie. Yeah, we're going to open it and put it in here so we can pour it into our handy dandy popsicles. We're excited. We added a little bit of purified water because we want to go ahead and make 2 cups. So we've got 2 cups of juice. We did not add any sweetener. Our pineapples and mangoes are sweet enough. Perfect, Trinity. So we're going to fill up, all of the popsicles, aren't we, Trinity? And then what we do, we'll go ahead and we'll set them in the freezer for about 2 to 3 hours until they are firm and they'll be ready to eat. We're excited about our tropical burst of orange popsicles. What do you think, Trinity?
Good.
Aren't they going to be yummy?
Yeah.
Yeah, way to go, Trinity. Trinity is 4. She turned 4 in January. She loves to help Mommy cook and make yummy treats with fruit. All right. All right. Trinity, are they done?
Yeah.
Oh! Yummy! All right, Trinity, are you excited to try one?
Yeah.
Woohoo! So we put them in for about 3 hours, and then we just will run some water over them to get them out of their cups. We'll do that.
Making it if you cannot remember it, so the parents can help you.
Oh, so you liked Mommy helping you? How's it taste?
Good.
Yay! Tropical orange burst popsicles, mango, pineapple,
And oranges.
and a little orange juice that we squeezed raw oranges.
That's why it's
Yummy! And then a little teaspoon of apple cider vinegar with the mother to pop all the flavors. Good! Maybe some other families will want to try a healthy treat. All right. Well, thank you for watching. Tell them, say bye.